Go up. Go up. Yo, YouTube. What's good, YouTube? What's good, Wavy Gang? Welcome back to another video with your boy, G-Wavy, man. So look, welcome to a highly requested video, man. We're about to react to NCT 127 Fire Truck, man. Yo, I haven't reacted to this group in a long time, man. It's been quite a while. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be making a playlist about NCT after this reaction, because I know I have a bunch of songs that I already reacted to. So I'm definitely gonna be making a playlist for you guys. So if you guys want your requests like this, check out my Patreon. My Patreon is the fastest way to reach me in terms of requests. Check out my Patreon, sign up for it, and support me, and shoot me a message, and I'll get your reaction as soon as possible. But you can also DM me on Instagram or Twitter. Send me your reactions. That normally takes me a couple of days, couple of weeks to get back to you because I get so many of them. And yeah, and I react to a reaction. So with that being said, man, we're gonna check out Fire Truck for from NCT. And if you guys enjoy this reaction, make sure you smash the like button for me. Comment below, let me know how you feel about this. And so yeah, if you're new to the channel as well, subscribe, join the family, join the Wavy Gang. Let's go. Oh, whoa. Okay, coach. Oh, also, I'm gonna be rating this out of 5-star. 5-star will be a 94 above. 3-star will be a 93 to 87, and then y'all get the gist of it. 4-star will be a 93 to 87, and then 3-star from y'all get the gist of it. We're gonna be rating the performance and the song, the vocals, everything. Okay. Okay, the beat's already. Whoa. Hey. Hands up if you're feeling the vibe now. Hey. Ooh. I already like it. I'm already feeling the vibe. Okay, different flow. Ooh. Hey. Okay, that's a club banger right there, man. When that song plays in the club, bro, you cannot not dance, man. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Huh? Yeah. Hey! That was lit. I was not expecting that. Hands up if you're feeling the vibe now. Hey. 1 step, 2 steps. Yo, why do K-pop groups always have one of the best beats, bro? Somehow the beat is always fire, you know what I mean? Like, I don't like, who is the producers of this beat, man? Like, sometimes the song may be trash, but the beat is so fire you can't even think of the song being trash, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? But right here, this song is dope, and the beat is dope. Oh, this is fire. This is too. Oh my god. A beat, man. Hey. Ooh. Hey, that's my favorite part. Every time they spray the water. Whoa. Vocals. Vocals. You know we love them vocals, man. Stop playing. Okay.
Turn it up.
Yeah, go up. Go up. Go up. Yeah. That's a hit. That's a hit. That's a hit. That's a hit. That's a hit, man. That's a hit. 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 That's a song I can listen to over and over and again and never get tired of it. Yeah, that's a hit. That's a hit. Fire truck. Okay, Grandma, what you doing? What's going on? What going? Alright, y'all, so that was NCT 175 truck. Rating out of 5 star, that's definitely 5 star, man. 5 star. The beat really, that's the thing that really got me. Like from the start, from the jump, I was like, bro, that beat is nice. Obviously, the rapping was nice, the choreography was nice. Everything else was really dope, man. I cannot lie. Yeah, that's a 5 star song. That's a 5 star music video. You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know your rating in the comment section, man. Out of 5 star. So with that being said, man, we're gonna end this reaction right here, man. Y'all let me know what next NCT reaction I should do. I should check out, man. I'm definitely gonna be making a playlist for them, so be on the lookout for that. With that being said, man, I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Y'all stay safe out there, man. Like, get it. Oh, subscribe to the channel if you're new, man. And peace. Let's go.